Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a shipping fee for your online store in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to websites, and next to the online store that you want to add a shipping fee on, click on this edit website button. We are now inside the website editor, and first switch to the store management area. And now to add a shipping fee for your online store, click on settings and select shipping. By default, you will see this regular shipping, but it is for free. To add a shipping fee, first click on create zone. Before adding a shipping zone, let me help you understand better how the shipping system works inside Hostinger website builder. First, Hostinger divides shipping by zones, and when I say zones, I mean, for example, countries or parts within a country. So the first thing you should add is not the shipping fee for all orders coming on your online store. First, you need to set a specific shipping zone, and then you can add shipping options, for example, free shipping, or example, express shipping, fast shipping, inside each shipping zone or shipping area or country. So first, let's say that we are talking about shipping inside US. If you offer shipping worldwide and you want to if you are working if you want to offer or if you want to add a shipping fee for all orders worldwide, here let's call your shipping zone worldwide, and here click on add country and click on select all. This way, you created a shipping zone which is worldwide, and you offer shipping to all countries. But in this video, I will create a shipping zone dedicated for the US. So this is why I will call it United States. And then click on add country, and I will select only US. This is it. Even within the US or within each country, you can set specific, or you can you can add or remove specific states. For example, you can uncheck Alabama if you don't provide shipping to this area. But for this video, I will ship to all states. Click on save. Now that my shipping zone is set well, let's hit save. Let's say instead of a country, you can also create a shipping zone, for example, Europe. Call it here Europe, and here add the first country and then add the rest, or add them all at once: France, Spain, and so on. Let's go back to the US, United States. Click on save. Now that my shipping zone is updated in another way created successfully, let's add shipping options just for the US. Now click on, by default, you get this regular free shipping when you create a new shipping zone. You can't delete it unless you add a second shipping option. Now to add a shipping fee to your online store just for the US, click on add option. A new window pops up. Here, give your shipping option a name, for example, standard shipping. Let's, for the shipping rate, let's ask for $10 for shipping, and here click on add condition. My bad. Since this shipping fee is for all orders, starting from including lightweight orders, heavyweight orders, below $50 or above orders or above $50, you are not required to add any condition. But first, let's check the conditions that Hostinger uses. You can go with an order price condition or an order weight condition. This is the rest, you can check it yourself. Now click on add, shipping details updated. Now let's check or let's view my online store. Go to shop. Let's try to buy this watch for $40. Add to bag. Click on checkout. First select the created shipping zone, which is the US. Select as state to start to show available shipping methods. And as you see, this is the standard shipping or this is the shipping fee I added to my online store. And this regular one is the one Hostinger creates for you. Now that I have a second one, let's see how to delete this free shipping option. Go to the shipping page, click on the selected shipping zone, which is the US. As you see, this is standard shipping and the regular. Let's delete the regular one. Delete. Now let's refresh this page. And now it only shows the standard shipping that costs $10. And if you see here, $40 plus $10 shipping, it's $50 for the total amount. And this is how to add a shipping fee in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.